I keep reading about the need for rigor. What exactly does this mean?
Rigor is probably the most misunderstood term in modern-day mathematics teaching. It is not about giving more practice, teaching advanced content earlier, or making the mathematics harder for students. There are three key aspects of rigor: conceptual understanding, procedural fluency, and the application of mathematics.
Okay, so tell me more about these.
Students should know what the mathematics means, including the relationships among big ideas. Good instruction will engage students in meaningful discourse with an approach that uses concrete, pictorial, and abstract representations. Procedural fluency refers to the strategic skills needed to carry out procedures with accuracy, efficiency, and flexibility. Application occurs when students use their newly acquired knowledge and skills to solve meaningful problems.
Oh, most of my time is spent developing procedural fluency.
That is not rigor. A rigorous program will give equal attention to all three aspects.